Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be understanding a new Excel add-in which will help us crunch numbers and gain insight from our data. It will provide a collection of statistical and analytical tools that can be applied to your spreadsheet. The name of the add-in is Data Analysis ToolPak. Before discussing the benefit of the add-in, let us understand how to add the add-in. First, let's see if we have it in our data tab. So you can see here the data analysis add-in is not available. To add the add-in, go to File, take Option, select add-in. Make sure you have selected Excel add-ins here. Click on Go, check the Analysis ToolPak, hit OK. You now here can see the data analysis tab. Let us now understand some of its handy features. First, uncovering trends and patterns. Things like correlation analysis, regression analysis, and ANOVA. This can help you identify relationship between different variables in our data and significance of those relationships. Second, making data-driven decisions. By using statistical tools like hypothesis testing and t-test, we can test assumptions and make more informed decisions based on our data. Third, summarizing and describing the data. The add-in helps us for calculating descriptive statistics like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variation, which can help us get quick overview of the data. Fourth, performing complex calculation. We can do things like random sampling or performing the F-test. The ToolPak has functions for those as well. This can save us time and effort compared to those doing this calculation manually. After discussing the features, let us now understand the data. We have data of customer ID, their age, gender, revenue total, net purchase, purchase date, purchase value, payment method, time spent on our website, browsers, newsletters, and vouchers. Let us have a look on the data analysis tab now. Here you can see various analysis tools. Before starting the analysis, let us first understand our data. Here we click on descriptive analysis and hit OK. We have to input our range, which will be this column. We have to select the summary statistics. And our first row also contains label. So we'll check this box. We'll select the output range and a target area where we want to display the information and hit OK. Here we have the data. Mean, standard error, median, mode, and other helpful insights. Further, let us now also study few more functions of it. We'll generate a simple ANOVA table here. We'll select two columns where we want to perform the analysis. Check the label for first row and select the output range and select the output for the target location. And hit. Here we have the ANOVA table of single factors for age and gender. You can check here the SS, DF, MS, F and P value and F critical, which is also known as significance limit. Thank you, and that's all for today.